Hello everyone, this is King IoT. This video I will show you how to use your KC868-A8 board. You can use this Tasmota firmware so that you can use the Ethernet and the Wi-Fi and control the relay output and the switch input for the sensor. You can select this. You can see I can use a mobile phone. Turn on relay 1. This is update 1, and this LED is on. And relay 2, relay 3, relay 4. And you can see this LED indicate for relay, and this is my mobile phone, and this is the PC. The PC software often open the web browser by the IP address, and you can see the state of the relay. And this is input. This is for sensor to use. I will try introduce you later. And you can see I have two IP address. This is one IP address, and this is another IP address. So now this firmware we have used this ESP32 and work by the Ethernet and the Wi-Fi at the same time. So you can use these two channels of the communication, and you can see I can use this IP address. You can see I can turn off. This is off, and this is on. Now it's on, and this is this IP address by the Ethernet part. And now we can see this window. This window I have opened by the IP address of the Wi-Fi. By Wi-Fi module. So you can see I can also, you can see I turn off the relay 1 and turn on the relay 1. If I disconnect the Ethernet cable, you can see this is disconnect. And this time you can see I use this IP address of Ethernet. It can't use because it's disconnect to the cable. But you can see I can also use this Wi-Fi as the IP address in the web browser to turn on and turn off the relay. Because this mobile phone is connected with the Ethernet, so now it can't use now. Okay, now you can see I can connect with this Ethernet cable again. And you can see the green and the yellow LED indicate is on. And now I can test again. I can use this and refresh the website. You can see I can press again, on, off, on, off. So it can use the Ethernet cable again. So now this video I will introduce you how to download the firmware for the PCF8574 to extend the GPIO input and the output relay for this A8 board. This is lesson 29, how to use the Tasmota for the A8. At the first, we thanks to the Black ad. This is from this website. He can make the Tasmota firmware for the A8 board, so you will use this firmware easily. And the Tasmota, you can see the official website, Tasmota and the ESP. It's open source software. It has many functions. We can click the ESP32, and you will see this web page. And you need to download this flash toy of the ESP home. And also you can see it supports many ESP32 devices. Just click support device, and you will see this is many ESP32 based device you can use by the Tasmota. And this is the A8, Kinkon A8, and this is A4. So we can use this A8 board. And also you can see these details are right by the bracket for this A8 board. So he have tested it and make and compare the firmware of the Tasmota. And you can see many details how to configure input and output and the output control panel. And these are details you can see. I have put the link at the details. You can click this website, and you can download the Tasmota firmware. This is bin file. You can download this file, and the first you can download the ESP Flash toy. This I have downloaded, and you download this bin file just like this file. This unzip file you need to unzip, and you will find this Tasmota for A8 board. The first step, you need to connect this USB cable. And now you can open this flash toy, ESP toy I have installed. So just run. And this window, you just serial port. You can click this COM6. This is according to your computer. Just a USB convert to serial port. And the firmware, you just click browse and choose this download this file, just this one, and click open. And just click refresh ESP. And now we begin to download. We just to wait, and we can maximize the window. This is the logo file output. And you will see this web service is start. And the first you need to let your computer or your PC connect to this Tasmota Wi-Fi signal. You can see, I can click, because my computer also have connected the Ethernet cable. Just you will find this Wi-Fi signal. We can connect with it. And now you can see this is a Wi-Fi IP address. You can log in by this IP address. And we just see the form and go on. And you will see the Wi-Fi configuration other setting. You just choose the configuration, and you will see configure other. And just need to copy and paste. We can delete it, and copy this test, and paste it, and active. Choose this active, and press save, and restart. Wait for a moment. Restart. And we can also use the ESP toys to see the logo output. We can choose COM6 and V logo. And now you can see this is PCF8574 IIC GPIO port for the input and output. So we can see the configuration. And you will see this PCF file. And click. And because we have used the first PCF, port 1 to port 7 is for input, and the second device is for the output. So we can choose to output. This is output. Okay, now we can click this invert port, because we have designed the state, the logic is invert. So we can press save. And you will see this is the logo output. Okay, now is logging by this IP. This is Wi-Fi, and you will see this logo output. You can see this is web server active on Tasmota by IP address. This is a new IP address. That is for the Ethernet. So now you can use the Ethernet IP. And we can copy and paste. This you can see this is Ethernet, and this is the Wi-Fi. So they will have different IP address. So you can see this Ethernet port is become blink, the yellow, and the green is blink. So this is for work. And now you can just turn on, turn off by the Ethernet every relay. And this is the state. You can see if you want to connect with the sensor, you can see this is a 8-channel sensor. I can use that twice. You can see I use that twice. This is ground, and this is channel 1. If I short for this channel 1, this is channel 1, and this is channel 2. You can see the channel 2 is 0, and the channel 3. And this is channel 3, and this is channel 8. And this is 8. So every input is triggered. You will see the state is changed. So this is how to use the relay output and the input part for the Tasmota by this A8 board. Okay, thanks for watching.